Good morning, friends. Just give me a minute. We'll create a promotional link and then get back to you. Yeah, just done with the promotional link. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Bharat, Amit, Satish, and Ayush. Yesterday was a fun-filled day. Opened with a gap up, went stayed completely above the resistance zone of 16483 and almost reached 16700 yesterday. 16695 was the high. Today could be a choppy day or even a mild fall day, maybe towards the level of earlier resistance zones, which is 16,485. Somewhere around 16,480, 500, if we get today, it will be a place where we can go long. Crude is moving like anything based on the news factor that European Union has imposed sanctions on Russian oil. So it's better to stay away from crude until some situation gets stabilizes because it completely moves based on news. Nothing is respected, charts or something else, whatever it is, nothing is getting respected. So instead of taking any risk over there, just stay away from crude for next couple of days, maybe until it comes down below 8500. Because I am really not comfortable with the way which crude moves. Every day some news comes. Day before yesterday there was a news, and it went higher. Yesterday there is some news. and it has taken off higher at the opening itself. This is not a fair deal with crude for trading. That is what I feel. People who are willing to do long trades and they are comfortable means they can go ahead and do it. This is Arabindo Pharma charts, guys. Yesterday chart, this stock come up with results. It was a poor set of results. Okay, and barring that, I am seeing some divergence over here. See over here, the stock is continuously falling here, from here to here, whereas the RSI is getting improved slowly. So this is what we call as positive divergence. Generally speaking, RSI will give an advanced indicators kind of setup. So if RSI is increasing, the price keeps on moving on the downside, there are good chances that the price will follow the trend of RSI in next coming days. So if that is going to be correct and technicals are followed to be correct, proven to be correct, Auro Pharma can move on the higher side from today's knee-jerk reaction. It will be a minus into minus plus kind of stuff. Remember what happened in Metropolis couple of days back? Last week, Thursday or Friday, I am not exactly able to remember the date. One of our member was asking about a call position in Metropolis. I mean, not a call position. In fact, he is. It seems. I believe he was short in 1600 put. Okay, he was short in 1600 put, and the price was little bit higher from the place where he shorted, and he asked us what to do. I said him that because of poor results, there will be a gap down kind of opening, but post that there are very good chances of recovery because of the uh, formula of algebra or whatever we call. In mathematics, we call it as minus into minus plus, right? That is what happened. Very bad set of results, very bad chart setup. Everything was very bad. But the stock, after 5% gap down opening, it went 4% on the higher side, which means it was a 9 to 9.5% intraday move from the lows of the day. So I wouldn't say that RO will also move 5%, 10% on the higher side, but there are very bright chances from today onwards the stock could bottom out and climb on the higher side. See this, Auro Pharma settles in green. Very bad set of results. Actually speaking, he is supposed to settle in red. But look at what happened. Look at here what happened. So this is all about markets. See, everything, most of the things will get already factored. Good morning, Prajwal. Chetan. Sir, Davies, please. Davies, we will check through charts, bro. Actually speaking, the charts are very bad. Very bad. But the thing is, this very bad situation came after very good set of results. It was a spectacular results from Divis this time, but unfortunately, they have not given any revenue guidance. That is the only thing which dragged the stock from 4,400 odd levels to 3,300 odd levels. Now it is having a temporary bounce, and I will go to my default setup where every indicators will be in place. Will be able to decide it. Okay, yeah, there is a minor kind of up move which we are seeing right now. If the low of 3350 holds, we can see a test of 38 50 and even 4000 in this series itself, provided the low of 3350 should not get broken. If it gets broken, there is no other go, we need to exit. But for long term players, investment players, this could be a right time to invest, at least by part by part. I hope there is no challenge in seeing the video or hearing the audio, right? Actually, yesterday we were facing some trouble in the video. It was lagging and it was not streaming correctly. But today, I guess it is fine. If someone confirms, it will be better. Can we buy Auro Pharma today? That is what I said, bro. Auro Pharma on a dip. Actually speaking, I have given a call for my premium members on that. So I will not be able to comment you directly. But I will give you a hint. Don't buy any gap up kind of opening. Wait for some time. And if there is a cut of 2 to some 2% or 2.5%, then you can think of buying. Thank you, Satish. Thanks for the confirmation. Auro Pharma. This is the chart of Auro Pharma. So the low of 514 becomes the strong base as of present situation. Until it is getting broken, we need not worry about it. Maybe around 520 odd levels, you may try to pitch in 518, 520 odd levels. What happened to Sun Pharma? Same setup for Sun Pharma as well. Actually, that also has posted a very bad results. Yeah, this fellow is exactly touching at 20 moving average today. So today's yesterday's low is close is below 20 moving average. Today he is set to open below the 20 moving average, and probably he can even test the 100 moving average, which is the pink line, 679 or so. Maybe even go a little bit lower than that also. But if there is a reversal from today's low, maybe after 1 hour, initially don't jump in. Maybe after 1 hour or at least after 10 a.m., if there is a reversal, then it could be moving on the higher side and trending on the higher side for today. There are very bright chances. Yeah, it opens way below the 100 moving average, which is 879. The pre-open has settled at 867. Yes, we have opened. Very bad that people might feel bad that we exited our 16500 put yesterday, but never mind. Those are all part and parcel of the game. You should not get worried about it. All auto companies are moving marginally on the downside today. Tomorrow, everyone will post their monthly sales figures. So that could be the next trigger for if any up move or down move kind of stuff. Arrow Pharma, like we expected, has moved straight away 2.5% in green. Steel shows some strength today. Actually, JSPL, after very bad set of results, open gap down 2%. Now it's down only 1.5%. Let's not take any risk or challenge now. I'm expecting 16,480 to 16,500 today, where we can take some positions. Until then, we need to wait. Very nice that you exited with small loss, Satish. Yeah, we are drifting down towards the zones which we have suggested. Never be in a hurry. We will get our levels. Market will not run away anywhere. So don't be worried. Don't be in a hurry. VIX once again above 20. 13,500 call of Bajaj Finance. Sorry, Bajaj Finserv. Oops. L&T, actually speaking, I was supposed to send an alert for my members. Okay, just give me a minute. I will send them an alert and then come back. Yeah, Tata Steel is showing us a solo show. I think he could rocket out today. Look at the way Jindal Steel has moved. After a poor set of results, after 2% red opening, 2 to 2.5% red opening, it's in green, half a percent. I think metals are going to blast for the day. Uh, we have any questions? Very nice to hear, Bharat. You made 1,500 out of Aro Pharma. Chambal. Very weak charts. Just trying to climb from oversold zones. So the big test will be 379, which is the 10 moving average. If broader market collapses, then the stock also will collapse. The stop loss for you could be 342. If 342 is gone, then you are supposed to exit your position because it has all the chances to break this 335 low and then move on the lower side. But on the other hand, the first level is 379, which is the 10 moving average. The minus into minus plus concept works, right? Aro Pharma. Look how it has performed. Market is moving on the downside, but this fellow is moving on the higher side. Is the structure there? The Bank Nifty is almost in the verge of turning out to be weak. Open interest table shows like that. Let's see. What happened. Hey, 110. What is happening every day? Actually, yesterday we had some internet challenges, slowness after 1 hour. Today, in the first half an hour itself, we are facing this challenge. Uh, it's not even getting.